Mike Hughes here. I'm at Coral Palms Resort in Panama, and I'm here with Vince. Vince, you want to tell us a little bit about your operation?
Well, right now we don't have much of an operation because we're still under construction.
Oh.
We're building a small boutique dive resort.
Okay.
In 2019, we're going to have the dive center ready, which is Jolly Roger Diving, jollyrogerdiving.com. We'll be operating our dive boat. Our dive center will be 100%, and we'll be set up to take people out on week-long trips, weekend trips, whatever they would like.
Okay.
The Coral Palms Resort, as I say, we're currently under construction. We're going to focus on finishing that construction once we get the dive shop up and running. And then we'll end up with 4 cabanas, oceanfront. We'll have a restaurant on site, a bar on site. Basically, if you want to stay on site and have all-inclusive, we're going to have that.
So we're going to have to update this as you complete the projects.
Absolutely. I have a Facebook page for Coral Palms Resort along with Jolly Roger. On the Coral Palms website, I continually post updates and show people what's going on in the construction in Third World.
And that's coralpalmsresort.com that they can find that.
Coralpalmsresort.com will take us directly to the Facebook page. And on the Facebook page, like I say, I've got videos and pictures. Just this year, we completed a new shop. So we got our dive boat in the shop that we're getting ready to do a refit on and turn it into a dive boat. It used to be a workboat for an offshore fish farm. And so that's going to be our new dive boat. We'll finish up that this year and get her in the water, and then we're getting wet. And then
when we get wet, what are we going to see? What kind of fish? We
have some of the best diving around. My house reef, right in front of the property, I've seen 85% of what you can check off on a fish card. I came out from a shore dive and almost stepped on a 2-foot spotted eagle ray.
You didn't spot it though.
No, I didn't spot it, but it spotted me and took off before I put my foot on it.
Cool.
And that was probably one of the best things I've seen there. I've got, this last summer, we had 3 moray eels right in front of the property, and we would go out there and feed them every night.
That's a moray. That's great. So, cool. Well, that sounds great. And we got to your .com, and I think we got it all set. And now we just have to keep updating. How often should we check?
Well, I'm posting on Coral Palms Resort Facebook page at least once a month, and that's keeping the updates going there. Jolly Roger Diving is not super active yet, but this year it's going to be more active because we'll be working on the dive boat, and we'll show people what's going into the dive boat and how we're rebuilding the dive boat.
Okay.
So a lot of people find that pretty interesting to see what's the process. How do we do this?
Yeah.
And so those are where we're taking lots of pictures and putting up some nice video and showing people what we actually are doing.
Well, thank you very much for your time.
All right. Thanks a lot, Mike.